Now we're going to go over how to add content into your website. This is usually just about the final step of building a site, and as content doesn't get written until the site's menu has been laid out and the navigation set up, you're probably just about done with everything at this point, so congratulations! This is one of the more in-depth areas of the site, and it does take a little bit more time than most other areas because everything gets added in a paragraph at a time. But it can be done by just about anyone, so if there's someone you'd like to delegate this task to, now's the time to do it. You're going to start in the page library, which is where you'll go to add, edit, or remove pages at any point of creating and maintaining your site. How you edit a page is by hovering over the page title you want to start with. I'll take my second category, landscaping services, for instance, and clicking on edit when that menu comes up. You'll notice how on this screen you've got two options here, visual and text modes. The text mode is mainly for developers, so make sure you're in the visual mode so you can easily see what you've done so far. Now we want to start with an empty page, so if there's anything in this box, go ahead and remove it by clicking anywhere in the box, and then use your keyboard to highlight it all with Control-A on a PC and Command-A on a Mac. Then hit the delete key to remove it all. When we enter content, realize there's a lot of code that's going to be happening in the background so that your page will display correctly across all browsers. For instance, every paragraph needs to have a certain code both before and after it, whereas any paragraph titles, also called header tags, will have their own special code before and after them. There are certain words that need to be given emphasis to the search engines with their own unique code as well, so we'll be going through this paragraph by paragraph to get the hang of it. All you'll need to do to add each of these pieces of code in is highlight the word, words, or lines that need to be wrapped in code, which is putting the code in before and after, and then click on the respective button. Webweeble will do the rest for you. If you do happen to know a bit of coding already, you'll notice the tags that you see appear here after you've clicked one of these buttons aren't what you're used to seeing, but don't worry. These are just user-friendly versions of the code to show you what you've done, so you can keep track of where you are or change it as needed. Behind the scenes, Webweeble's creating the exact perfect code for your site. If at any point you make a mistake while adding or editing your content, you can always undo it with the keyboard shortcut Control-Z on a PC or Command-Z on a Mac, or by using this button right here. Make sure you click Update on the right-hand side anytime you've made changes or are going to exit the page. Go ahead and watch the next video to learn how to enter in your paragraphs, and you can get started.